I got broads in Atlanta.
So hi guys, welcome back to our channel BFF. आओ तेरी दिया. Hey. So here is Suru and here is Mini. So guys, we are back with the another new challenge. So आज हम करने वाले हैं dare challenge. So our dares are here. Yes, let's open it. अरे yes. So ये होता है. लाख से होता है ना बस तो फिर. So you choose first.
Why me? You choose first.
No, you are bigger than me, so you first.
You're taller than me in height, then you first.
Whatever. No.
You can decide it by stone, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
That's
alright.
a good idea.
Yes. Come on. Stone, paper, scissor. Stone, paper, scissor. Yeah! I am a winner. First you. देखा मैंने बोला था ना पहले तू चूज कर. पहले ही मान लेती तो. Nice one, anyways. So your dad is here. Go. Yeah, we'll try. Yeah. Well done. So she has completed her dare very well. So let's go ahead. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Oh shit.
It's your turn.
Let me choose. Pinky. Arey yaar, what is this?
So the dare is cover your face with the tape.
How can one cover her face with a tape? Seriously?
Yeah.
No, I can't this one. I can't this one.
So your tape is here.
What? No, I can't do this. No,
You have to cover your face with this tape.
No.
Why
I
no?
can't. It's too risky on my face tape. No.
What is
No. And this tape has to
Then you
stop.
will get punishment.
Yeah, alright. I can.
Okay, so your punishment is you have to make 5 sounds of animals. Sorry, sounds of 5 animals.
What?
Huh.
Sounds of animals?
Yes.
But I'm human.
No, you are animal.
Shut up. Okay. I can do it. Okay. So
Start.
5 sounds of 5 animals. So the first is most common dog. So
Come on, fast.
wow. Related to you.
No.
The second is cat. Meow. Then third is sparrow. I know I'm looking so funny.
Yes, you are funny.
Yeah. Then fourth is cuckoo. Coo.
Who is Cuckoo? Come on, fast.
And the fifth is cow. Aww. Sorry. That's it.
Okay, so let's start with another one.
Yes. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
So your days are here. Wait.
Come
Yes.
on, that fast.
There is advertise something which I will give to her. Okay. So what should I take?
I will post it.
Catch it.
What is this?
Your dad. You have to address this pillow.
But how?
You know.
Who can advertise this pillow?
You. It's your dad.
Okay, so let's start.
Yes.
So
Let's have some
आप
fun.
देख सकते हो ये पिलो.
Yeah, all know it's pillow.
ये बहुत सॉफ्ट है ऐसे. आप इसको है ना कुछ भी इसको इससे लेके ऐसे मार भी सकते हो किसी को.
It's too hard.
What hard is this? Is so soft.
You are too hard.
Then you can put it ahead your back and sleep.
Wake up.
देखा कितने अच्छे से नींद आती है इसको सो के. ये आप खरीदना आपको बहुत अच्छे से नींद आएगी. आप खरीदना चाहोगे?
No, जरा
आपको
भी नहीं.
खरीदना पड़ेगा नहीं तो
ये
मार
आपके जैसा बकवास है. Okay, so your dad is done. बहुत फालतू था लेकिन फिर भी चलेगा.
हाँ फालतू थिंक
Let's move ahead.
Okay.
So, now do stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Yeah, again I win.
Not me again.
Here, your dad. Pick it up. Say 5 good things and 5 bad things about your partner. Means me.
Okay. It's very hard for me to tell good things about you, but I will try.
What? Whatever.
So the good thing is first.
Yes. There's so many good things about me. You can't suggest
I don't
one
think
also.
so. I don't think so.
Because you don't have a brain, so you can't think.
So first one is she is very supportive to me. Second
Yeah,
one
always.
is I love her hairs. Third
Oh,
one
thank
is
you.
she is very intelligent in studies. Fourth is
She can't just suggest good things also for me. This is the quality of best friend.
and
Say something.
what? That's it. 3 is much. Huh?
No, you have to say 5. Still 2 are left.
So the fourth one is she provide a solution of my all the problems, but problem में ही वही डालती है मुझे.
Not at
And
all.
fifth one is she is very honest.
Yeah.
I have 10 bad things about you.
See?
So first one is I hate your dressing sense. Second one is I hate your nose.
But I can't help it.
Third one is you are a very bad dancer, and fourth one is
So, there is no bad things about me.
I have so many things.
This thing?
The fourth one is she is very over possessive and overprotective.
Whatever.
And the fifth one is she is very besuri, as you know.
No. मैं स्कूल में प्रेयर के लिए मैथ
अब बस हो गया. अभी जो प्रेपर है तो सब बेसुर लोग ही गाते हैं.
Whatever. Let's move ahead. Stone, paper, scissors. Yes, it's your turn, baby, to do all the tests.
Not me again.
Come on, go. God is with me. The dad is cut your nails, yes.
I will not do this.
Wait a moment.
No.
So here is the nail cutter, my हथियार.
What
So
my
give me your nails,
No,
baby.
no, I don't.
हाँ कोई दे मुझे. So here is your beautiful nails that will be no longer remain.
No, I don't.
One number try pass. So I am going to cut her first fingernail.
मैं बदला लूंगी बहुत जल्द.
Yeah, seriously. Shut up. अरे it will hurt you ना. Here is your nail. Tip it. Come on. Let's move ahead. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Ouch. Okay.
I will take the revenge.
Yeah. Let's see.
You wanted to 3 days?
No. What? The daddies take a spoonful of salt and put it in mouth.
Yes.
I can't do that.
So your salt is here.
What? No, yeah.
So fatafat.
I'm feeling too dangerous. That how will the salt?
Revenge,
Oh,
revenge.
ये क्या है? पूरी दुनिया भर का salt ही खिलाना है. Only spoon है.
Spoonful of salt.
No.
Come on.
Please, not this
Yes,
much.
you
I
can.
got mad.
No.
Wait a minute.
No.
I will do it. Wait a minute. Let me handle.
Wow.
Thanks.
No.
Okay. This much. Can't. So I'm taking this much salt. Yeah, I can't do it.
So.
I done it. Okay. Let me concentrate. There you go. So 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3.
How does it taste? कोरोना दूर हो जाओ. क्या है? पानी नहीं. 1 मिनट पानी लेके आती हूँ. जल्दी. ये लो पानी. ये लो.
Oh.
देखो पानी.
Yeah, I'm alright. Seriously,
How does it
too
taste?
bad, too bad. You want to try? Let's move ahead. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Yeah! Now eating revenge. Take. What is this? No, there is eat a lemon without face expression.
Does it
Perfect.
impossible?
इसने मुझे सॉर्ट किया तो मैं अब इसको लेमन खिलाऊंगी.
It is not possible.
So here is your yummy, yummy, tasty lemon. Go for
How
it.
do you know it's yummy? I
No,
I
no.
did it by myself.
Okay. Yes. Yum. No expressions. No laughing. Chew it. Yes, chew it. Come on, you can do it. Yummy. Now let's do the next one. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Yeah! Now it's her turn. You do the dance. Wait. Some hard must be gone. No, I don't want. Take the orange one now. Mix it and drink it. So I have some ingredients which I will mix and she will drink. Oh my god! Wait, your drink is coming.
What is this?
So here is the milk.
Yes, I can drink milk.
And here is the salt.
Are you mad?
Yes, I'm mad.
What?
Come on. And here is the orange juice. Yes, I'm mad. It's your dad, babe.
Bro, milk में ऑरेंज जूस मिक्स करके कौन पीता है?
तुम. Boss. I'm excited to see. Round and round, round and round.
Shut up.
Now
I
you can
really
drink
need
it.
to drink.
Yes.
Are you sure?
It's your dad, yes. Let's see. Ooh, seriously do it? No, it's your dad. This drink.
Let me try.
Yeah. Nina, cheer bell, Nina. Share. This drink. Come on, fast. Okay, it's alright. It's alright. So hats off to her because she has drank the weirdest drink.
I can't speak right now.
Good. So let's move ahead. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. How? Okay. So बहुत दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है कि अब मेरी बारी है. Come on. Orange one. Tongue twister. So she will give me any one tongue twister and I have to say it without any mistakes.
Okay.
You. Come on. अबे देख के चल, मोबाइल में कम देख, सामने ज्यादा देख.
This is not what this is that.
मेरा
So,
ही है.
Your tongue twister is
Yes.
ice cream, you scream, you all scream for ice cream.
Ice
You
cream my
have to-
favorite, but आगे का कुछ पता नहीं चला
You
मुझे.
have to tell this line 5.
What? Once is alright, not 5 times.
No, 5.
Not
Come
at
on,
all.
start. Fast.
Okay, so I will try. So first one. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream. Yeah, I've done it. I'm expert in tongue twister anyways. So you can't beat me.
Let's
Come on,
start
go
again.
ahead. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. It's against me. No. A bus girl. The last orange. Let's see what comes.
So, the dare is fill your mouth with water and
Sing a song. How can one can do this? The dares are very.
So, your water is here.
Yeah. But which song I will sing? And you have to recognize it.
Yes.
What?
You have to sing the song and I will guess the song.
And I can't then. Okay, I will try my best.
रहे.
I just forget.
और
This is where let's go and bring some more. Okay, let it be.
very good. So, please don't spit it. Put your face up there then. Yes, this is the best idea. Chinese की बोल रही है रे. मैंने कहा था ना बहुत बेसुरी है, देख लो अभी. Sing it properly ना.
Let's try. Okay. I can't.
Can you spit the song please? हे भगवान है ये समझ बोल रहा है. लड़की बेटी कर गई चल.
Gosh. Whew. Let's hold it. So guys, hope you like the video. So hit the subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up and turn on the post notification bell. So जो डर आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए and like our video. So till then take care. We out.